This is politically motivated.
After being released from jail on his own recognizance, Judge Joe Brown addressed the media. He said he'd gone to the juvenile court when he was approached by a woman who needed help with a custody battle. The woman was accused of being the mother of an unknown child by someone in Virginia who'd made claims against her.
She's been going through this for 8 years. There was no date of birth, no name, no birth certificate. She doesn't know who the devil they're talking about.
In court, Brown told the magistrate that according to federal standards, the woman had been treated unfairly. On the audio, the magistrate can be heard attempting to set a hearing for a later date. Judge Joe Brown threatens to shut the place down.
This matter for a hearing April 24th at 9 a.m.
If it pleases the tribunal, I will file a petition for habeas corpus and close this place down like I did before, if you make her come back
Mr.
here
Brown,
one more time.
you are very close to finding yourself in contempt.
Excuse me, on what authority do you sit, by the way?
The magistrate warned Judge Brown that he was close to finding himself in contempt, but the exchange got even more heated.
This tribunal on a general sessions court's authority is insufficient to establish you. Therefore, I challenge your authority to hear it. By the way, what is that, magistrate, sir? With due respect?
Mr. Brown, the court finds you in contempt.
Here, $10. That's all you got on me.
We'll sentence you to 24
You're
hours
out
in the
of
Shelby
it.
County
The
Jail.
maximum
You may have a seat.
I'm not. $10.
The hearing ended with the magistrate having Judge Brown detained by bailiffs, charging him with 5 counts of contempt of court with 5 days behind bars for each count.